Hello everyone and welcome back to Web Development Bootcamp. This is Mohammad here and this is third video of our course. So in this video we are going to talk about the environment that we'll need to set up for web development. For that, two main applications that we will use during web development will be a browser and a text editor. Now, there are millions of browsers, hundreds and thousands of browsers available on internet. Firefox, Mozilla, UC, Opera, etc. Whatever they are. And I have preferred Chrome here. Now, why I have preferred Chrome? I prefer Chrome here because Chrome is the browser that supports almost every HTML tag, whether it's latest or it's oldest, it supports all of them. So it's best for web development. And the second thing, the text editor, I recommend Visual Studio Code. Now, why I recommend Visual Studio Code? Because in Visual Studio Code, when you install Visual Studio Code, there's a pre-installed extension for HTML, and that's Emmet abbreviation. They are pre-installed in Visual Studio Code. I will show you what Emmet abbreviation is. So now let's move on to our browser for installing and downloading Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we are in our web browser and let's just type in here Visual Studio Code download. I don't have to type it, I already had. So now let's go to visual website of Visual Studio Code. When I click on it, it's going to take some time. So here we are. Now it displays us different operating systems and you can download Visual Studio Code for your respective operating system. Mine is Windows 64-bit, so I'm gonna install 64-bit Windows. This is thanks for downloading Visual Studio Code for Windows, and this is documentation for Visual Studio Code. Alright, it's been started to download. Okay, so it's downloaded. I'm gonna just open it now, and the downloads. There it is. I already have installed Visual Studio Code, so I have to uninstall it first. Okay, so I have uninstalled Visual Studio Code that I had earlier, and I'm gonna install it again. So when I double click it, it popped me up an agreement. So I will accept it and go to next. And the location, you can change it if you want. You can add it to anywhere, download it to anywhere, install it to anywhere, whatever that is. So now in additional tasks, if you want a quick desktop icon, you can check this box. I don't want it. I want to or just check all these other boxes. Alright, it's helpful to help for you. So next, and then we'll just click on install. And it's gonna take some time, not so much time. It's pretty fast actually. Well, it's also actually fast, really fast. So it's download to this launch Visual Studio Code, finish. The Visual Studio Code is successfully launched, and there we are. Welcome to Visual Studio Code. This is our welcome page, and it showed me the recent projects I was working on. I'm just gonna close it, and this is a file explorer for your projects when you are making project. You can open folder here, or you can open different files. Like I'm gonna put a new file that I'm showing you. It will display right here the entire one, entire two, entire three, like that. So this is search. You can search in file and replace strings with them, and source control run the sleep. Right now what I wanted to show you is the extensions that I had downloaded, but you will need to download it. I already had downloaded these, so we just import those back. So it's format HTML, PHP, HTML, CSS4, HTML snippets, and all these I will give their name to my blog page, and the link will be given in the description video, so don't worry about this. Now what I wanted to show you, the emmet application, what I said is installed in, and I'm gonna open a new file. I'm gonna save it as, save it on desktop, and I'm gonna save it as demo, and the file will go to HTML. Alright, and when I save it, just look at the icon of the file is changed from text to uh, coding symbol actually. So let's just, if I just enter an exclamation mark right here, so you can see emmet abbreviation, and when I enter, there you go, it has given me pre-written tags. It gives doc type, HTML, head, and body tags. So it's really helpful during all that. And if I add a heading tag, it will also close it for me. So it's really helpful right here. So that's all for this video. In next video we will talk more about the editing environment, and we will start our editing, start about talking about these tags and all that. So stay tuned and goodbye.